Hey guys, welcome. I just wanted to show you guys my garden. It's May right now. I'm in El Paso, Texas in zone 8A. So I just wanted to show off what I got going right now. This is my flower garden. These right here are verbena and those volunteered. It's on my yucky dirt and they just came out. These are carnations, my pin cushions. I got some onions over there. These were my ranunculus, but it's too hot now, so those have died. And back there are my dahlias that are barely coming out. This monster right here, this is my dill. I let it bloom like this, bolt, because the aphids will like swarm to it and they'll stay off my apple tree for the most part. So that's why I let this happen, this monster happen. And these actually self-seed. I put the seed down maybe like a year and a half ago, and now they'll just seed. So see this one here, it's already starting to dry out, and all these are seeds, and then they'll just fall on the ground. Oh, here they are. Here's a dry one, and here are the seeds. So those will just fall on the ground, and they'll just self-seed themselves next year. All right, I have these self-volunteers. They came out by themselves also. These are my onions. The marigolds I planted one time, those keep reseeding themselves as well. So that's really nice. I don't have to worry about those. They're right here. I didn't put these here. I didn't put these here. I didn't put these here. They just self-seed. The wind blows them and they're just all over now. These also, I think I put the seeds down like a year and a half ago, my snapdragons, and they're barely coming out. So sometimes you just have to let the garden be. This blue mist, the bees, no, who likes, the butterflies love this blue mist right here. I have carnations. The hummingbirds love my salvias, the pink one and that purple one. And then I got carnations down there that I just planted this year. There's another self-seeded dill back there that did it on its own. These are my mums in the front row. And this one was actually infested with aphids. And I had like baby ladybugs on it the other day. Look at how it's like just full of aphids. But I'm just letting it be. Look, they're all sticky. Look how gross. It's a lot. But I'm just sacrificing that one if need be, as long as they're off my apple trees. These right here in this row, those are my African daisies that I'm super in love with nowadays. These cosmos self-seeded themselves. I planted them last year, but then I let the flowers dry out, and now they self-seeded. Let's see, this is my apple tree that I need to take all that out, all those suckers down there. And then I have another monster of a dill over here. This one's dry. I need to take, oh look, this one is full of aphids already. Right there, let me move this. Right here. See? So all those aphids, I guess they like the dried ones because last year they did this too. It's until they dry out, then that's when the aphids come on them. So that's why I have these to stay away from my apple tree. I have a couple little apples coming out. Yay! Hopefully they grow, because last year I had a couple also, but they don't grow. They just stop growing. And here's some more. Yay! All right, here's my mint. This is my crown of thorns that I'm trying to keep alive. I've been trying for like a year now. And it like dies on me and then it comes back. My petunias that I overwintered. I'll do a video on that, on how I overwintered them. And then in my vegetable garden, I have nasturtiums. I still can't say it. I got more dill over here. And And these, I didn't plant watermelons here. Well, I planted them last year. Here I had a watermelon bed, but you're not supposed to plant them 2 times in a row. But these are self-seeded. Here's a little seed. But I think I'm going to move them to the other bed because they shouldn't be here again. And these are marigolds. And here in El Paso, I'm in a Facebook gardening group, and all of my group is being infested with these. They're like little tiny gnats, and they have, I think they're male gnats. Hold on. And they have little wings. I sprayed everything with water this morning, but this was like full of them. But they're back. I had taken them off, but they're back. Hopefully they don't destroy anything. I try not to use any chemicals, so that's the reason they're still on there. These are my sunflowers. They're also being attacked by ants. My nasturtiums. In this raised bed, this is where I'm growing the watermelons on purpose. These are onions, and then I have my snap peas over here. And my garden's finally coming along, my vegetable garden. I have marigolds. This is my bell pepper, basil, tomato, onions. A lot of them are bolting, but I'm just gonna let some flower. Over here we have onions that are ready. Yay! So pretty. I get so excited seeing them. These are carrots, onion, carrot, bell pepper, my cilantro that has had these ladybugs on it for like 3 days now. So cute. This is my garden tower. I have strawberries, onions, lettuce. This is no. Is this broccoli? I think this is broccoli, but it's not gonna come out because it's gonna get too hot. Strawberries, my beautiful mulberry tree. Back here in this one, I have zucchinis. These are beans. This one my husband just built me recently. I'm still trying to fill it, and I want to put blueberries, but I haven't even bought the blueberries. And by the time I do, it might be too late to even plant it because it's gonna be too hot. I am going to put, my hubby is going to put 2 poles on this side and that side, and we're gonna try to shade it. We're gonna put a shade to shade this whole area because last year everything shriveled to pieces because it gets way too hot. These are my garlic. This is my other bell pepper full of those little gnats. And this is my mangled lemon tree because it gets too windy here. I don't know where to move it. I keep moving it. Here, look, it's filled with those little bugs. You can see them here. I'm gonna have to spray this with water. And let's see. Oh, I got an orange tree. Let me show you. This is my new orange tree, my Arizona orange. Some petunias. These are my plumbago, and then my other mangled lemon tree. I really got to protect them from the wind, but I don't, so that's why they look like this. Wah. And I got, last thing, I got a new grape. I'm so excited for it. And I got this trellis, and this is my new grape vine. I think it's Thompson grapes. Oh no, they're turning yellow. I think I need to, I don't know if I'm overwatering or underwatering. It's always hard to tell. And that's it. Oh, my cute. I planted all these seeds like a year ago and they barely started coming out. They're petunias. Or no, vincas. These are vincas. And that's it. I just wanted to show you guys my garden right now. It's May. And that's it. Thanks for watching.